Here we are continuing our showroom floor model sale at LUXX Kitchen and Bath in Boise, Idaho. We have a really cute modern style vanity. This is a La Viva Alto 30-inch vanity with a matte black solid surface top. And this top is really cool. It's all one piece, so it will stay very, very clean. You don't have any little cracks, joins, or seams like you would have on a two-piece top. Here we have a pull-out drawer. This is a cutout for the plumbing pipes. You've got storage space here. And then you have a nice little storage shelf underneath for your towels or your bath slippers or whatever you need. It has a matte black metal base. It's white with the matte black top. This sells on our website for $1,489. You can come and pick it up here in our showroom for $744.99. If you don't have a truck to pick things up yourself, we will be happy to arrange for delivery for an extra fee. So that's a 50% saving on this really cute La Viva vanity. Again, it's 30-inch white with a black top and black metal legs. LUXX Kitchen and Bath, Boise, Idaho.